If you like my video, please like, comments, repost, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get my videos. Thank you. Today I will discuss the topic stock market, and I will explain the share market or stock market. Stock market is an indicator of a country economy. In this video, you will learn everything on investing money. Let's talk about share market. What is share market and how it works? What are its merits and demerits? And how you can invest in it. What is stock market? Stock market, share market, or equity market are the same names, where you can buy or sell share of a particular company, which is registered in stock exchange. The origin of stock market concept. The origin of stock exchange started in Netherlands about 400 years ago, when they used the shipments for trading goods, and it took long distance to travel them. Therefore, they started asking people to give money and return back when they sell goods. In simple words, it is a type of borrowing, where a person borrow money from one another. Same like that in stock market. You buy shares of a company and lend money to it, and you earn based on its market value by selling the shares in stock exchange. And another way of earning is dividend. Dividend means profit which company gives to its investors at the end of the year. The importance of investor. When you buy share of a company, you become the owner of that company. There are two types or segments of stock exchange: primary market and secondary market. The primary is where a company sells its shares and get money. The company fixes its price of shares in a range. A share has minimum and maximum price in stock market. Company sells its shares in primary market on a specific price and raise its business liquidity requirements. Whereas, in secondary market, the peoples who purchase shares from company sell the shares at higher price and get the profit on their investment, and this process go on. Now the question is how stock markets valuate. 1,000 companies are registered in stock exchange. And for the valuation of stock exchange, the market value of each company share is calculated. Measurement terms are used for stock market valuation. This measurement of stock exchange reflects the sale and purchase of shares of those numbers of company. To better understanding, I give you example of Pakistan Stock Exchange. There is a term used, KSE 100 index. In simple words, Pakistan KSE 100 index means Karachi Stock Exchange, top 100 companies, index. How to get registered with stock exchange. It is very difficult to get registered in stock exchange, as there are strict conditions to registered in stock exchange. Not only documents requirements from respective authorities, but also there must be a market known company, so that peoples can trust and could invest in the company. Now the question is how you can invest in stock market. It's very easy. You must need a broker. Broker is a person or company who follow the stock of companies on daily basis, and they guide you about your investment in the shares. Brokers take commission for their facilitation on sale and purchase of shares of companies. What are the requirements for sale and purchase of shares? You need to open bank account and stock exchange account, And after opening of your accounts, you can start stock market business and can start trading of stocks in market. Tip before investment. You must remember one thing, that before investing in any company, you must know the respective company information and history, especially stock market history. Because if you don't know about a company, there is a high probability that you can lose your money. I recommend that you must watch stock market trends at least 6 months. Specifically the stock trends in which you want to invest, and then invest in stock in which you have some confidence and you see previous good trends. I tried to cover the complete topic. I hope now you could have better understanding about stock exchange. You find this video informative, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my every video. Thank you.